Hey guys, my name's David. I'm the National Sales Manager from Enerdrive. I'd like to welcome you here today to see what we're all about. Enerdrive is 13 years strong. We started in 2008 and year in, year out, we've grown from strength to strength. Now we owe a lot of that growth to the excellent team members here at Enerdrive. We comprise of skilled people ranging from support, AC electricians, DC electricians, design people, marketing team members, installation people, and so forth. Enerdrive specialise in mobile power applications. We cater for anyone who has a power requirement for caravans, motorhomes, camper trailers and four-wheel drives, as well as marine applications. Further to that, we're strong in the commercial sector as well, supplying state-of-the-art power systems for defence applications, emergency services, utilities companies, and so on. We're a one-stop shop. Effectively, a manufacturer, for instance, can come to Enerdrive with a unique requirement. Enerdrive can design the system, we can build the system. Our quality control measures are second to none. Further still, we support the system, not just during the installation process, but also after the installation process. Enerdrive offers a lifetime support guarantee, and we stand by that promise, and our team members are passionate at ensuring that that promise is fulfilled 100%. The level of support that you receive from Enerdrive extends before you purchase a product, and this applies to anyone, not just a manufacturer, but someone who simply owns a caravan and wishes to invest in a system is just as welcome to reach out to us for the same great advice and support. Further still, you can purchase Enerdrive products through an Australia-wide network of resellers, and those resellers also have access to Enerdrive's excellent support. The Enerdrive support team comprises of many dedicated professionals coming from a vast range of backgrounds, including auto electrical, AC electrical, electrical engineering, and on-the-job real-world experience. When you call an Enerdrive support team member, you're speaking with an Australian Enerdrive support team member based right here in Australia. People who understand your needs and your requirements, people who have probably lived through the same experiences that you're trying to understand now. And those team members are based right here in Brisbane at our main head office, as well as our Epping warehouse in Victoria. We also have quite a significant range of products pre-designed by us, pre-assembled by us right here in Brisbane. These products are only good thanks to our extensive quality control measures. Every system is thoroughly checked and tested prior to dispatch. We're quite proud of how we do that, right down to checking tensions of nuts and so forth, through to actually connecting the systems, programming the systems and testing the systems. We are so proud of our quality control measures that we've actually recently increased our warranty to a 5-year replacement warranty with a lifetime support guarantee. And you can't beat that. That lifetime support guarantee extends beyond the first purchaser, and the 5-year warranty is a genuine no frills attached warranty. If the product is deemed faulty, we will swap it, we will support it. Further still, if you're travelling around Australia, we have other plans in place to assist you as well. We do have systems in place such that we can send you the goods ahead of receiving the first good back in order to ensure as minimal side effects or delays as possible to you guys so that you can enjoy your trip and not be stuck in one location waiting for a replacement product or hoping that it's deemed warrantable. Why would you consider an Enerdrive production item versus just buying individual products? Well, it's simple. The hard work's done by us. Further still, we do it every day, so it's fast, efficient and consistent. And we utilise all the features of every product. So often people buy a product and only use it for its main feature. A fine example of this is our battery monitors. Many people purchase an Enerdrive ePro Plus battery monitor just for viewing the battery state of charge. However, did you know that there's also an alarm feature on that monitor, which is capable of disconnecting your loads at a predetermined state of charge? Now, Enerdrive power systems and production items are wired in such that you get the full benefit of all of these components. Utilising the best software available today, combined with the best equipment available today, whether it be CNC machinery, tooling and so forth, our design team really have no limitations. They are well equipped to deliver a perfect result for you guys every time. This allows us to apply a masterful level of craftsmanship. So that's it, guys. The best in support, the best in product, the best in design, the best in manufacture, the best in quality control, the best in warranty. If you want to deal with industry leaders, deal with Enerdrive. We complete the whole package. We love this industry and we'd love for you guys to get on board. Reach out to the team at Enerdrive or get online at www.enerdrive.com.au and check out the Where to Buy section for an Australia-wide network of Enerdrive resellers and ask for their advice and their support as well. Reach out to an Enerdrive representative today.